Look, my hair's done about had it. But I told y'all I was gonna give y'all another video or two, and I am. And one of them is this. I'm so excited about this. People have asked me so many times in the past, can you show us your spice cabinet? You know, because I use all these different things, and most of which you have to probably get online. You might not find it in the grocery store. But I never had like a good way of organizing them. I had one of those pull out spice things, but I have way too many spices that would fit in a little thing like that. So I found this on the Zon. I'll put it in my store so you can find it. Or if you're watching this from the book, I'll put it down there. But look, now I'll show you the spices, but first I got stuff to add to it. Allegro sent me a package. So we got some of their dry stuff and some marinades. All-American burger, garlic and herb, sweet heat, and their signature. I can't wait to try theirs. I've never tried theirs before. And they sent me the marinades. I'm super excited about that. This is the honey garlic, Tennessee whiskey, original, hot and spicy. I know I'm gonna like that one. Teriyaki. Haley will be stealing that from me. And Nashville hot. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna make some wings. Thank you so much, Allegro, for sending me that stuff. That is so sweet, and I cannot wait to try it. So I'm gonna make some room for that on my spice rack for sure. But let me show you what's already on there. By the way, if you get this one is the 6-inch. You can see it's very slender. I put it in my laundry room in there, and it just fits right up against the wall, so it don't take up much space. But it's got 6 shelves. This is where I have all my regular stuff, like oregano, poultry, crushed red pepper, my paprika, cayenne, all that kind of stuff. And of course, my soul food seasoning. A lot of people ask where to get that. You can get that from Dollar General or Walmart, basically anywhere. My onion and garlic powder. I'm using the granulated garlic from Williamson Brothers, and that's just some more soul seasoning. And I got almost a whole row of Hal the Cajun Lady. I love her stuff. This one's my favorite, the Cajun Waltz. And then Creole Zydeco is really good too. This one's the seafood boil, Cajun spicy 2-step, more Cajun Waltz. And I got more even in my cabinet. I'll show you my cabinet too in a minute. And then this is her garlic butter, her seafood boil, and then I got my Italian seasoning, parsley flakes, Morton's nature seasoning. Sure Shot Sid's black gunpowder seasoning is really, really good on steaks. I like it on vegetables. Lowry's, of course, that's good on everything, even popcorn. There's more soul food. Let me put that up here. This is Lily Lutte's Southern Magic Ranch Killer Hogs AP. The trusty Old Bay. And then these my mom and dad got me when they went to Hawaii. One of them's spicy, one of them's original, but those were really good. Down here we got K. Fred, Post Oak, Stubbs Barbecue, Dirty South Barbecue, Sexy Mama's Rub, the Barbecue Guy Veggie Seasoning, that's good. Mississippi Spice Company, which if I'm not mistaken, this is the same company. They changed their name to, I think, this name. And then KP seasoning. Papa Earl's. Oh my gosh, I love Papa Earl's. That is so good on fish fry. And then the Trusty Tony's. And I got a whole row of Z Olives. This is that little adorable store in Pigeon Forge. But these are all balsamic vinegars and olive oils. And then I have all these little sample ones to try too. And then that's their Wash Your Sister sauce. And then the bottom shelf, I got my sugars and cupcake liners and birthday candles. And then I did dedicate the cabinet right by the stove for the things I use most commonly, like my olive oils, avocado oils, vanilla. This is really neat because it's just in a spray bottle for like if your stove catches on fire. Tahine, which is really good on fruits, and it's good in the corn dip. The bacon spray. And then I got one of Olive House stuff up here because I use it so much. And then these little Weaver Dutch Country things Mama got me recently from the Amish community they went by. Some more of Sure Shot Sid's gunpowder seasoning and all my Kinder stuff. And then the Morton's nature seasoning. And I'll say this Mr. Fry stuff is really good on french fries and popcorn. My friend Cooking with Amber Nicole gave me this Bayou Craze Cajun garlic butter seasoning. And we tried it the other day. I don't know if y'all remember, but it is Super good. I'm so glad I finally got to show you all my spices. If you're curious about anything in particular, just send me an email. It's going to be easier for me to see it because I don't always see messages. Sometimes they get filtered out. And don't go nowhere. I got one more video coming because me and Caden's about to have that dessert and it's so cute. I can't wait to show you. I love you. Stay classy.